Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, today we're gonna get ready. Get your makeup, whether you're going to school, work, you don't got nowhere to go, you just want to put some makeup on. Doesn't matter. Let's get ready together. I'm gonna be playing some music. It's gonna be real cute and real fun. Okay, so let's get started.
Hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this?
What is up, guys? It's Nyra. I actually just woke up. And let's get ready and listen to music together. That's all this video is. I'm using the dip brow because I still haven't gotten around to buying a brow wiz. Take it really up. Baby with the bobble. I know some people don't like 6ix9ine. I'm not one of those people. Tell me boy fall in love with it, he's stupid. Juju, lucky I ain't have it on me, I was gonna shoot you. Yeah, I'm flexing on my exes. New, she too wavy. Yeah, I'm in Houston, Texas, touching on a few ladies. Yeah, I'm priming with my rose water because primers break me out. I'm gonna need a new rose water like sometime soon. My favorite foundation ever. I thought I ran out of it, but it got like one more use in it. I think this might be one of the last uses. Yeah, I'm walking down the strip with your arm around her hip. Right up on his hip. I feel like this today. I don't like the second verse in this song. I don't know who it is, but I don't like it, so I'm skipping. I like to blend by like wetting my sponges with rose water, but I'm not gonna waste my rose water like that when I could just use water. I ain't that bougie. Come on, boys. Look at my skin. My skin looks perfect right now. I am like feeling myself. Mira mi cara. Oh my god, my skin looks so good. I just went natural. Yo, I think I'm beautiful. This is one of my all-time favorite songs. This is like a trap. This is like the trap song of all trap songs. Oh my whole gamma. Papa like a tag shopping on it. I just bought a new old Jag. Yeah, it's so fast. I'm talking about my, but y'all tripping too. Is it true? Anyway, I'm married to it again. He said her vows for me. I ain't getting on my knees, babe. You bow down to me. You go down for me. You lay down and do the time for me. Sorry, boo. Yeah, I lie to you, but don't you lie to me. It'll Kodak, the finesse kid. Boy, who hides me? Tell the doctor I'm a healthy kid. I smoke broccoli. I won't run around your old boy like Monopoly. Oh boy, you's a broke boy. Vodka's got to be chocolate. Call me Reese's, could catch me where I to be. You's a clown to me. You's a clown to me. You can't smoke no black and mild with me. Get in the car with me. You's a funny guy. Don't you even joke around with me. Taking the LA Girl Pro Powder. Not yet, actually. I'm not gonna do that yet. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. Know a couple that's down the ride for a homicide when it's drama time. Run up on her with the llama's fire, leave his loved ones all traumatized. 150, I'm really with it. I drop his and then forget it. I'm the man around my side of town. Might see her and forget I hit it. I ain't even there. Little heart boy, I do this. wetter than a pulpit. And I make Vans like I make friends, put some Ray-Bans, some cool. But now back to some killers. Got some wild hoes that I'm 30 years running, 30 years gunning, and we said it. I never run because I stay to fight. I cook her like steak and rice. Gang bang, gotta pay the price. Where is my nose contour brush? Here it is. Yeah, I'm all about that set. That young, we rap, let the max spit, we with the Nina, that's that black. Wanna get it, I'm like, cause man, I got this. Shooting, hitting, 4-5 extended clip. Y'all be on that snitching. And y'all know what snitches get no limit. We with the, I'm focused on getting rich. MOB forgetter. Right after I hit the, like, point me to the kitchen. Yesterday I used a beauty blender to blend out my contour and I like the way it looked as opposed to the diamond. I'm trying to make my contour sharp enough to where I don't have to clean it up underneath. That's why I like the beauty blender better to blend. I don't know why, but it just blends more precisely on the contour. The reason I say, dang it. Yeah, for my nose contour and highlight, I definitely need to blend with the diamond because the beauty blender just came through and destroyed everything. See, look, the diamond is great for some things. The beauty blender is great for some things. If you guys have never listened to Then You See This album, Fruitian, you need to. I just wanna thank you for all your advice. I need to do my makeup, I know. I must bring you honor. If I don't, I'll die. Rising up from nothing. Oh, let me sing. I just wanna thank you for giving me life. If you love me, won't you let me know? I've been trying to learn to let you go. Now it's time for the pro powder. I like got zoned out for a minute just now. This is my song for real. It's time you stop displaying weakness. Whoa. Derry Cedar talks about love, life, heartbreak, religion, insecurities. This whole album is like so good. I know this is coming from somebody who's just listening to Lil Bibby and Lil Herb, but seriously, it's so good. Now it's time for lashes. I hate doing lashes, especially on camera. Hearing Kanye West use New York slang is like confusing because like OD, that's a New York thing. I out myself, menacing, frightening, find out. Sometimes I scare myself. Hey. Hospital bet 100 bands a watch. Oh, I put a lot of glue on this one.
Oh shit, what is that?
Oh no, I'm not about to play no Drake song so that Drake could, Drake be going crazy on the copyright on people's videos, okay? Y'all not getting me caught up. Sorry. Now I'm gonna overline my lips. That's good enough. I'm just gonna put some gloss on. It's just a regular clear gloss. Alright, last step, rose water to melt everything into my face. But I'm not gonna do too much because I look really airbrushed right now. Maybe I shouldn't do any at all. No, I need to. I know I need to. When you do like too much rose water, it shows like a lot of texture. Because like melting it into your face is a good thing, but if you do it too much, then it looks too much like skin. There has to be a good balance of like powder on your face, which is why I set really good today, and like rose water to melt it in and all that. And look at how airbrushed I look. Thank you guys so much for watching and getting ready with me. I hope you enjoyed, you had fun, you liked some music, and leave me a like and a comment down below, and head over to my Instagram and give your girl a follow, and I'll see you in my next video.
Hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from me. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck. I love the way you dress, got a nigga so impressed.